attending these workshops, the benefit is the benchmarking, the new people that you get to meet, and those really that one-on-one contact. I met a lot of new people, learned a lot of new things, gets me out of my comfort zone a little bit.
The time that Disco takes to learn their clients and listen to what it is that they are interested in seeing, being involved in Disco since 2018, I can see the improvement and the continuous growth and desire to grow.
That was one of the things I think that we started off early on in the year was really building our partnership with Disco, like creating a partnership, really learning how to utilize every piece of that particular tool and having Disco at the table, figuring out how to continue to learn and grow together.
There are some corporate clients who use AI internally, so they are looking for their law firms to start using that, and we have to get on the ball.
Working with Disco is helpful in order to stay aware of what is possible.
Some of them had never seen generative AI, and I think their eyes are kind of open to what the possibility of tech can do. Not only do we have innovative technology, but we have subject matter expertise that spans the entire dispute resolution process to ensure that our clients have the best of both worlds.
We have a love of this industry, and we really do want our legal technology to be superior to others and to shine. And we want people to be successful in their careers. And it's pretty cool to be part of somebody's journey.